Welcome back. Every Monday in May, we're featuring different health experts assisting those with mental health concerns here on the coast. And one unique option is right here in South Mississippi. It's called Coast NeuroSpa, and they offer a variety of treatment options for patients. Joining me today with more is CEO Stephanie DeSherry, along with psychiatrist Dr. Brian Viverberg. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, so it's so important right now to eliminate this kind of stigma that comes with mental health, and it's even more important to seek treatment if you do need help in a crisis. Can you tell us the importance of that and what you're seeing among patients coming in?
Yeah, seeking treatment early on when you're struggling with mental health is really important because there's actually evidence that it does affect your treatment outcome. So a lot of people want to wait until it's totally unbearable to seek treatment, but we want to encourage everyone to do that and not be so concerned with like a commitment to treatment or committing to therapy or anything like that, because you can always stop at any time, but just that first step can go a long way.
Yeah, and NeuroSpa helps out with a variety of different mental health crises, right? Can you walk us through?
Yeah, so we offer two things. It's interventional psychiatry, and so we do transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS. And that's where we use electromagnetic coils, kind of like you'd find in an MRI machine, but we're using them to affect an area of the brain to help the neurons function better.
Yeah, I think we have some video coming up of what that process is like. It's an unconventional process, but it is helping patients, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's wonderful. So, I mean, it's hard to find now when we aren't able to help somebody with this.
That's amazing. And you guys are also using Spravato too. It's a nasal spray. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, so we do Spravato. It's S-ketamine. It's the only FDA-approved version of ketamine, which is important because then it's covered for patients. And that's done nasal spray because it gets right into the brain very quickly. And that's a highly effective treatment also for treatment-resistant depression and also patients that are having suicidal thoughts too.
So tell us a little bit more about that TMS option. It's typically for patients who have depression, or could it be for a variety of other illnesses?
Well, it can be for other things. So it's for mostly for treatment-resistant depression. Those that have been through a lot of either other doctors, they've been on medications for years and therapy, and nothing seems to quite work for them. So TMS is a great option just because its mechanism of action is very different. And it's also used for OCD, so we got a new coil that was FDA approved for that, so we can treat that just as well. And also too, there's other things that can be affected, you know, if someone has anxiety, trauma-related issues or that too, we can also help with that.
Okay, great. So they can just come into NeuroSpa, ask for those options?
Yeah, and TMS was FDA approved very recently for adolescents as well as adults. 15 or older.
Well, I think we have some information about your hours of operation right there on your screen. So come in, seek help if you need it early too. That's important.
Yeah, early.
All right. Well, we thank you guys so much for all of this.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for your insight into this.
Thank you for having us.